just do some more practice because we need to get these arms working again. Oh, do you remember this Midsummer Night's Dream? Oh dear. A cruel smile played on Oberon's lips. Let's just read it, a bit of refresher. We know we've already read this page, but we need to bend your fingers back, just refresh our memory. I will drop the juice of the flower in her eyes, he said to himself. Its magic will make her fall in love with the first living thing she sees when she wakes. Perhaps a toad or even a spider. She will make herself seem so ridiculous that she will beg me to break the spell, and I will after she's given me the page. Okay, let's just see how well your visual scanning is today. Have a look and see. The type of smile on Oberon's lips was what? Show me the word. The type of smile. That's the picture of him. Show me the word. The adjective that describes his smile. Show me, find it. Find it with your finger. What type of smile was it? Let's just see. You need to focus. I see, it's hard today. Look. A cruel. That was the word. Cruel smile. C-R-U-E-L. Let's do that. Cruel. Let's practice it on here. Lift your arm. C for cruel, then R for rule. Touch the R. Touch it. R. Then U, all the way down for the, all the way down for the U. U. Then E. Then touch the L. L. Yes. Cruel. Very nicely done. Cruel smile. That's an interesting use of words, isn't it? Because when someone smiles, what word springs to mind when you think of someone smiling? How would you describe them? You would describe them as, if you just saw a person smile at you, what sort of person would you think they were? Would you think they were being cruel, or would you think something else? K, I, yes, I, after the I, you were there. K, I, you're wobbling a bit, but I can see you're hovering for the N. Touch it. N, and then D, yes. Normally if you saw someone just smiling, you'd associate a smile with someone who was kind. But this one is more of a sort of an evil smile, isn't it? A sneaky smile. They're feeling happy because they think, I've got one over, or I've sorted the situation out. That was interesting. What is it that he plans to drop into her eyes? What does he plan to drop into her eyes? Can you find the little sentence there? When Titania is asleep, I will drop, what? Find it? I will drop, have a look at the words. I will drop. Yes, you were there. There it is, the juice of the flower. So he will drop juice of the flower. I can't remember what the name of the flower was, so I'm going to look back to the previous page. Oh, that's right, the flower was called Love in Idleness. And an example of something which she could fall in love with when she wakes up would be what? Show me. An example could be, that's it, perhaps a toad, or even a spider. So it could be a toad or a spider. If you had the choice, let's imagine that this spell has been cast on you and you've got a choice. Oh my God, let's just say you can predict it. And the choice is that the first thing I see is going to be a toad or a spider. And that you can't help yourself, you're going to fall in love with that thing which is either a toad or a spider. Would you sooner fall in love with a toad or a spider? What do you think? A S P I D E, a spider. Go on, carry on, tell me why. B E C A U S E, a spider, because let's write this down. A spider, because I can't imagine what you're going to say. I C O U L D, because I could sooner fall in love with the spider, because I could what? I could A S K H E R, I could ask her. T, come on, after the T, touch that T again. I'm going to move the board a bit. T, and ask her T. Okay, because I could ask her, I needed T. Let's just finish this sentence. T, touch the T again. T and O and S and P and oh, where? H or I? After the P would be, alright, do the P again. P and I and to spin. Very, oh yes, because I could ask her to spin. Finish it off. B and E and A and U and go on, you were there by the T, I could see. T and I and F. Go on, keep your arm moving. U. You're hovering over that. L. Yeah, beautiful. Ask her to spin. Beautiful. Go on then. Small word, I think. Beautiful, maybe beautiful webs would be a good idea. Go for the W. Ooh, W, just practice. E, and not A, go for the B, you were one off. B and S. Okay, beautiful webs. I've been giving you lots of help today because I know that you need it, but you've done so well, you're trying so hard. I know we've got big challenges at the moment with your motor skills, but thank you so much for coming and trying. And we'll just keep practicing again and we'll get your skills back. It's just a little slump at the moment and then they'll all come back and you'll be fine again. Alright, I believe that. Right, we'll take a little break from that now and we'll do something else.